Hello students, welcome to EduRev. Have you ever wondered how a shop on your street transformed into a global online store in just a few years? In this short journey, we will explore emerging modes of business, focusing on digitization, the e-business revolution, and learn what it means for commerce. Think of three key movers in today's business world: digitization, outsourcing, and globalization. And today we will shine a light on digitization, also called e-business. E-business is not a new species of trade, but a new way of doing business using computer networks. And it is reshaping how firms produce, market, and deliver value. Imagine a market where shops are software, orders flow like messages, and customers connect across borders with a click. That is the world of e-business. Let's begin with a clear picture: e-business versus traditional business and how it differs from e-commerce. If business is the full set of activities like industry, trade, and commerce, e-business means conducting those activities through computer networks, most commonly the internet. E-commerce is a part of e-business that focuses mainly on buying and selling online, while e-business covers production, inventory, product development, accounting, and HR as well. So e-commerce is the marketplace window, and e-business is the whole store running behind that window. Why has e-business emerged so strongly? Competition, changing customer needs, and rapid technology advances push firms to be faster, better, and more efficient. Now let's walk through the main models of e-business you will meet in commerce: B2B, B2C, intra-B including B2E, and C2C. B2B, business to business, is when companies trade with each other. For example, an automobile manufacturer ordering tires and engines from suppliers through secure networks. B2B advantages include faster information flow, real-time inventory tracking, quick payments, and the ability to customize production to customer needs. Remember that B2B began with EDI, electronic data interchange, which digitized purchase orders and invoices long before web stores existed. B2C, business to consumer, is what most people think of when they hear online shopping. But it also includes marketing, digital delivery of music or movies, customer surveys, and feedback loops. B2C brings lower cost, faster speed, personalized services, convenient delivery and payment, and round-the-clock customer interaction. Think of ATMs or your favorite online store. Intra-B commerce happens within a firm, across departments, via an intranet, improving coordination between marketing, production, inventory, and HR. A special case is B2E, business to employee, where firms use online platforms for recruitment, training, e-learning, sending field reports, VPN-based remote work, and video meetings. C2C, consumer to consumer, lets individual buyers and sellers trade directly using platforms like eBay and secure payment intermediaries such as PayPal. C2C platforms add safety features like ratings, reviews, and escrow-style payment systems to build trust among strangers. What are the benefits that make e-business attractive for commerce students and entrepreneurs? First, ease of formation and lower investment. You can start an online service without a shop, and often with modest capital and strong networking skills. Second, convenience. E-business runs 24/7 by 365, letting customers shop anytime and employees work flexibly from anywhere. Third, speed. Information and many products like software or e-books can be delivered instantly, reducing cycle time from order to delivery. Fourth, global reach. The internet removes geographical limits, letting sellers reach customers worldwide, and buyers access products across borders. Fifth, movement towards a paperless society. Digital records, online forms, and laws like the Information Technology Act support electronic transactions and faster approvals. But e-business has limitations we should be mindful of, especially in commerce practice. One major limitation is low personal touch. Some products like clothing or perfumes often need physical sampling before purchase. Another issue is mismatch between instant information and physical delivery times. Fast online updates may still lead to waiting for shipping, which can frustrate customers. E-business also requires technology skills and access, creating a digital divide between those who can use online tools and those who cannot. Security and anonymity risks are significant. Impersonation, data theft, viruses, and hacking threaten trust and transactions. People may resist change, fearing job loss or feeling stressed by new systems. And ethical questions arise around monitoring employees and balancing privacy. Given these risks, commerce professionals must understand stages of online transactions: pre-purchase, purchase, and delivery, and manage each carefully. Practical steps in an online purchase include registration to create a secure account, placing items in a shopping cart, and choosing safe payment methods at checkout. Payment options range from cash on delivery and checks to net banking, credit or debit cards, and digital cash, with credit cards still dominant in many markets. To reduce transaction risks, verify identities at registration, use trusted websites with seller details and ratings, and rely on secure payment systems employing SSL encryption. For data storage and transmission risks, install and update antivirus tools. Use encryption to turn plain text into ciphertext, and protect secret keys to keep data safe. Intellectual property and privacy risks mean content online can be copied and personal data can be misused. So firms must manage rights and user consent carefully. If you plan to start an e-business, you need the usual resources: capital, people, and machines, plus a proper website, technical support, and security tools. A website is your company's space on the internet. Keep it updated, user-friendly, and secure, and invest in customer trust. Key terms to remember include e-business, e-commerce, SSL, e-procurement, e-cash, and BPO, since these shape daily decisions in commercial practice. Here is the central insight for commerce learners. E-business is not just moving shops online. It transforms processes, speed, reach, and roles across the entire value chain. So strategic thinking matters as much as technology. In short, e-business expands opportunities, but also brings new risks that require smart governance, security, and human-centered change management. Quick recap. E-business uses networks to manage production, marketing, finance, and HR. It includes B2B, B2C, intra-B, and C2C models, offers cost and speed advantages, and requires careful handling of security, skills, and ethics. Thank you for joining this overview. And remember that the best commerce professionals combine analytical clarity with empathy for customers and employees as they adopt digital ways of working. If you enjoyed this guide and want deeper lessons, practice questions, and case studies, come back to EduRev for more courses and resources.